And go.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Hi.
Yes, today I prepare for the diabetic for my Myanmar for the
A Myanmar diabetic patient.
yeah,
Let's
diabetic
see.
patient. So, what I prepare for this one, all thing mostly is boiling only, not sweet.
Boiled.
Yeah, boiled
Okay.
only, not
Steamed,
steam
boiled,
boiling, yeah.
not so much of sweet.
Yes, so I reduce like that only. So I have prepared noodles and this one carrots and some vegetable and chicken also. Only that's it. That is not too much sweet, not too much oil, and not too salty also. That is normal for the diabetic. Yes. And then I prepare for the only water only. I did not prepare any juice. But supposed to be, guess the patient is that they can drink only fresh juice, not too sweet juice, and then no can also. Only that's it.
So what happened to a diabetic patient? What is the problem of patients with diabetes?
If too much sweet, that is not good for the blood also. Okay.
No, my question is, anatomically speaking, in the body, what is happening to patients with diabetes? Why do we get diabetes, or how do we get diabetes?
Sweets. Too much sugar, too much sweet they are eating, so the body like that. How to say? The body balance is
So there are two types of diabetes, right? The one that's from a very young age, there's already a problem with your kidneys or your insulin. Sorry, not kidneys, but your pancreas or your insulin. It's not producing enough insulin to convert your carbohydrates into sugar, into energy. So then you have a type 1 diabetes. It's a dependent, insulin-dependent patient. But there are also some cases where you're already old, in the later stage of your life, then you have genetically, there are some relatives who have been diagnosed with diabetes, and then plus your lifestyle, you don't exercise, you eat a lot of sugar, and then that's when you have been diagnosed with diabetes. That's type 2, which is non-insulin dependent. So now let's see your food. So you have prepared noodles. How do you think a diabetic patient
but that is they can eat also rice also, but that is not too sticky and
in
noodles also,
moderation?
yes, so not that is not too much problem for that is noodles also. At
So
least that they can.
diabetic patients, I would assume, or I would think that they love to eat some sweets. So how do you deal with that? If your patient loves to eat sweets but in a healthy way, what can you offer your patient?
I will be give to them this one fruit.
Fruit with
So for
like
the-
what kind of fruit?
So berries, strawberries, and then oranges, and some oranges are very sweet also, but we cannot give also. Some
Yeah,
orange.
mango is too much sugar. The mango, right?
Yeah.
Even bananas have a lot of sugar also. Berries, I guess, is very good for diabetic patients.
Pasta, also sugar.
Also sugar. That is a pasta. So you think it's good?
Yeah, because
So, but what I like about your presentation is it's very well prepared. You have your linings, you have your spoon, and then why do you have a mug or a cup?
I bring
But why? What will I put there?
at least
Water?
water.
Do you put water in a mug?
Yes.
In the Philippines, yes, but
as simple like
in Myanmar, maybe this is a Myanmar patient. What is so Myanmar about your food?
Sorry.
What is that kind of food?
This one is the most boiling only.
But what makes it Myanmar? You're preparing for a Myanmar diabetic patient, right?
Yes.
But what's in your food that's Myanmar or represents Myanmar?
That is a causeway.
Where's Causeway there?
Causeway is mean this one.
What's Causeway?
Noodles.
In Myanmar you like noodles?
Yes, we eat also, but
Oh.
I'm not prepared for mostly most of the Myanmar same like Philippines. We are eat the rice only. 3
Okay.
days rice only, but I'm not prepared.
3 days, right? So,
3 days.
for 4 days.
3 times a day.
But yeah, if you are giving a mineral water or bottled water, it has to be closed. That's what you have done is correct. Okay, but you have to put it in a glass, not in a cup. Never offer water in a cup or a mug. Only offer tea, ganyan. Like, okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much.